Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth issues on your iPhone quickly and easily. If your Bluetooth isn't working, don't worry. Follow these methods to get it back up and running. Method 1. Toggle Bluetooth off and on. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Method 2. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slider appears. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Method 3. Forget and repair the device. Go to Settings, Bluetooth. Tap the icon next to the device giving trouble. Tap Forget this device, then try pairing it again. Method 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone Reset. Tap Reset network settings. This will erase Wi-Fi passwords and VPN settings, so be prepared. Your iPhone will restart. Try Bluetooth again after. Method 5. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Sometimes Bluetooth bugs get fixed with new updates. Method 6. Check for interference. Make sure your iPhone is close to the Bluetooth device. Remove or turn off other wireless devices nearby that could cause interference. If none of these work, your iPhone may have a hardware problem, and you should contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks.